All right, looks like everything is kind of grinding higher. Yeah, Tesla looks interesting. True. Not really my type of setup, but I'll keep an eye on it. So I bought some Snap on Friday. Had enormous volume. Like half an hour or something after the stream ended, or an hour. It had already traded as much volume as the previous day, this high volume day. I traded like 140 million shares. It just came out of this tight consolidation intraday. I couldn't resist. Damn, that type of volume is insane. I think it's it's the highest volume candle ever. It's probably gonna get rejected at the 50-day, but I couldn't resist. I've also bought some Hood. I think I bought it on the stream, I don't remember. It's coming out of this range. It kind of bottomed before the market did and started building higher lows in this tight range. We'll see. It's probably gonna get rejected at 50-day too, but Peloton, some buyout rumors. It stopped right at the declining 50-day on Friday in after hours. We'll see. Maybe we are in an environment where we'll see a lot of these bottom beaten down names kind of start running into these declining moving averages. Some of them have, you know, decent upside. Yeah, looks like crypto had a great weekend. I like snow. I like snow too. What a coincidence. Yeah, this DWAC is what's way higher. I wish I had initially bought it back back in early mid-January when they had the run up into the catalyst started. But yeah, I think it could do something crazy. This is where PHUN is starting to run too, you know, a little bit in sympathy. Other than that, there's not much speculation money in this market. Anything moving today except for DWAC? Let's see. Okay, yeah. A lot of the beaten down names are kind of grinding back higher. Damn, I wish I had gotten these entries. SC on this day and TTD on this day. Man, those reversal candles. A net on this trend break day. So it always looks so easy in hindsight. Should have just bought it. Why didn't I just buy it? Some of your positions look like the early 2021 straight up. Yeah, don't get too complacent. The thing is, we're still like, we're not out of the woods, right? We are in the middle of this chop zone. You know, these things can reverse really quickly. It looks like free money is back, and then bam, the rally fails. So be aware that it can happen at any point, you know, when the indices are kind of rallying into the moving average from the downside. Unless we get a V-shaped recovery. That would be nice too. But that's the thing, we don't know yet. Like, anything could happen. But main thing is I don't see a lot of good setups. Like there has been some bottom bounce setups, reversal setups over the past few weeks. Energy had the traditional breakout setups or like oil gas names. But other than that, there hasn't been much balls to the walls type of setups. I don't like the action in oil names though. They're showing a lot of relative weakness. Like USO, I mean, it's pretty much near the highs. It's barely down, and all these oil ETFs, well, not all of them, but Gush and XUP mainly are acting like shit. I'm raising my stop on. These things have been showing relative weakness for a long time. ERX is the leading. ERX and what's the unlevered of this? I don't even know. XLE. Those are the leading ones. I mean the laggards, god damn it. Yeah, XUP and Gush, if they close weak, I'm getting out. Because if oil would gap down, these things would gap down a lot. They're just really weak. They're not rallying much when oil goes up, and they're down a lot when oil is down a lot. That's not a good sign. You kind of want to have the opposite. But yeah, be very careful. Like this rally could end in an instant. This is not the same thing as like an uptrend rally like we had, you know, these types of rallies when the moving averages act as support. This is like, now the moving averages act like resistance. We're below the 20, below the 50. So it's gonna be chop chop chop. My main thing is not letting any of these swings go into loss territory. Like, I'm using like at least break even stop on most of them, because you don't want to get chopped up. But in case this rally doesn't fail, you also want to be long, right? So, or if this rally is gonna last for another few weeks, you also want to be long. So you gotta be taking on some risk. Alright, things are shaping up here. Or at least oil is starting to shape up. Good. then I don't have to watch anything closely. All right, guys, thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.